Hey, we lit as hell, man. We getting fucking lit as fuck. Hey. Oh, shit. Give me some cover. Ah, you do. Oh, shit. Where you gonna throw that bitch? Oh. You getting lit, nigga? Hey. Light that bitch up. Yeah. Light that bitch up.
Wait, hold up. I'm gonna light this.
Light that motherfucker, bro.
I'm gonna light this motherfucker.
Light that motherfucker, bro. Hey. Oh,
I'm
shit.
gonna light that motherfucker.
Oh, shit. Oh, hell no, bro. What the fuck? Oh, hell no. But why you throwing so fucking close? Hey.
Light that motherfucker, right?
Yeah. Hey, dab me up, nigga.
Want to do one more?
Hell yeah, fuck it, bro. Hey, do one more, bro. Oh, hell yeah. Hey, we getting lit. Hey, light that bitch, bro. Oh, hell no. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck, bro. Why that bitch, bro? Oh, hell no. That shit was a little too close. Why that shit bounce, bro? You gonna light another one? Hey, throw that bitch farther, bro. Throw that bitch farther for real. Don't be a pussy. Oh, shit. That's enough, bro. I'm scared. You scared?
Light a couple more.
Oh, hell no. Mo got his pants on the floor. Stupid ass. Hey, you got fire. Hey, what you doing? That's good, man. That's good, bro. Oh, shit.
One more.
You having too much fun, nigga. What the fuck?
I only got a couple of packs left. Watch out.
This nigga's stupid. Hey, you stupid? Yeah, I'm trying to blow your ass up like a firecracker. I'm trying to light you up like a firecracker, boy. Look at that ass. Oh, shit. Light that shit on fire, nigga. Throw that shit. Hey, we getting lit. Hey, yeah. Bro, you... Why you leave the paper on that motherfucker, bro? Take the fucking paper off. Look at this shit all over my fucking driveway now. Dingy.
Why you one more?
That's the last one? Oh, hell. Oh, hell no. That's enough, nigga.
One more pack.
Nah, nigga, give me a fucking lighter, bro. Fuck if this shit ain't.
One more pack.
Hey, nigga, these pants are mine, bro. That's it, man. Yeah, I'm gonna rub my dick on these pants if you don't give me my lighter. I'm gonna rub my fucking dick on these. I'm rubbing it on my dick. Oh, hell no. Alright, that's good, nigga. Give me my fucking lighter. Damn. Stupid ass. You ugly? You homeless?
Yeah.
Sucks.
My fucking pants.
I'm glad I ain't homeless, bro.
We lit those motherfuckers.
Huh?
We lit those bastards up.
Hell yeah.
Boom, boom. Right?
Yeah. I'm glad
one more.
I'm glad I ain't homeless though. I'm glad I ain't homeless for real. I gotta go home. I gotta sleep in my bed tonight, bro. You don't, bro. You got kicked out for real?
Light one more.
Nah, hell no. That's enough, bro. You go to the park and do it or something, man. Why you so greasy, bro? It's because you homeless?
Yeah, alright. Wait, you got my phone?
No, I gave it to you.
I'm already here.
Hey, where you going? Let's light one more, bro.
I'll take one more.
Psych. Now you want to
baby.
stay. Alright, we'll do it only if we light 2 more.
Let's like 2 more.
3 more.
You fat bitch. Move, you bitch.
Hey, where you going, bro? You homeless. You ain't got nowhere to go, bro. Where you go? You ain't going home. Are you going home? I know you ain't, because you're homeless.